Hello, my friends. Welcome to the Red Elevator. Today, we are going to look at how to style your home for the fall. And I mean professionally. Follow me. And since so many of you asked, today I'm wearing an entire outfit from the fall collection of Zara, and my shoes are Bottega Veneta. This is one of my favorite topics, decoration for holidays. It is now fall. As you can see, I'm wearing winter wear. And how are we going to make our homes match our spirits and our mood? I'm here to tell you exactly how. I don't know about you guys, but whenever fall comes about, I want to bring in the outdoor foliage and the outdoor colors in. And this is one easy way of being able to tackle both Thanksgiving, holidays that are coming up in one full sweep. If you're lucky enough and you live in a city that has beautiful changing colors, then you can just literally go outside, look at the colors that surround you, which should be browns and autumn leaf colors, and bring them literally in your house. So if you've got different decorative items that have those rust colors, like you can see in these photos, we've got these decorative bowls, and we've got, just beautiful branches that are sitting in a bowl. Even a rug, by the way, I should say that one of the reasons why I partnered with Ruggable, which I'm standing on right now, is that you can mix up and change your rugs easily because they are lightweight, they're machine washable, and you can just change the colors. So we've got some beautiful earthy colors in my Ruggable line, and as you can see in these photos, these really give more of a fall vibe when you bring in the camels and the ivories. My absolute favorite thing to do, I have so many absolute favorites, but probably my favorite thing for fall is to bring in the foliage. And exactly what foliage do I mean? I'm gonna tell you. The best branches to bring in are sugar maple and Japanese maple, and in my opinion, magnolia, because these branches have a lot of rust and red in them. And if you can't find those, then do what I did. As you can see in this video, I've got these gorgeous sort of red burgundy colors. We picked these up at Trader Joe's. They're available across the country, I'm sure. And it just brings that warm, wintry vibe into the house immediately, and it just becomes very comforting. The next thing you can do is bring in bright orange tulips or roses. These are incredible when they are put together in a big grouping. Cluster as many as you can afford and put it in one vessel. As you can see in this photo, it is so exquisite. And if you have people over, they're just going to be drawn to these flowers. The next thing that I really recommend doing is going to your local farmer's market or even the supermarket and buying a plethora of pumpkins. Now, what I mean by that, it's not just the ubiquitous orange pumpkins, but get varied sizes and varied shapes of these pumpkins, and they can last you throughout the winter. You can stagger them in your kitchen, as you can see in this photo. There's white ones, there's green ones, there's ones that look unusual, ones that are artsy. You can put them over where your fireplace is. I love decorating with pumpkins, and I love the fact that there are so many to choose from, and I love mixing them all together. Now, I've gone ahead and sourced some very chic wreaths for you that you can use as art and in your home. So don't just put them on the front door as you would imagine, but put them in an artful manner. As you can see in this photograph, they have different kinds. There's ones that are more natural colored. You've got ones that are red, ones that are green, and you can just create a collage of them on a wall, perhaps, and you can use those Command 4 strips, which actually work. So then when the winter's over, you just remove them. Or you can place them, if you'd like, on over a fireplace or even on the back side of your front door so that you can see them more often than not. Another great way to integrate fall into your home that I absolutely recommend is to make things very, shall we say, billowy. And by that, I mean, look at these photographs. You're going to take what are sort of heavier blankets that you've stored for the winter. You're going to bring those out, and then you are just going to drape them heavily onto your furniture, typically where you sit. Have oversized blankets, purchase oversized blankets in latte colors, rust colors, olive colors, and have them just fall naturally, beautifully on the end of your bed, on a settee, on a bench. and have them show that whimsy and the non sort of geometric, you know, hard lines. Just have them be asymmetrical and have them flow beautifully. And that will also really create that cozy vibe that you're looking for. Something that I'm offering right now, which will be linked in the comment section below, in the description section, I should say, are online consultations for precisely this reason. If you want a 10-15 minute call as to how to style your table for the holidays, or how to style for the winter, or, you know, where should you put your new chair or sofa, this is the time to do it. Just click the link in the description section and it'll automatically book an appointment with me from anywhere in the world. I want to know from you guys, directly from you guys, whether you want to see next me setting up the perfect fall tablescape, or if you want me to show you how I make my very special secret butternut squash winter soup recipe and how I serve it to my friends. Let me know, and I can't wait to see you guys next week on this channel, The Red Elevator.